Brian Packer, Natural Self Yoga. There's one final pose left to do before you can skedaddle, get all that stuff that you got to do, go pick up the kids, get to work, take a shower, whatever you got to do right now. Or just go home and get dinner, get something to eat, go to bed. Whatever you have to do, there's one more pose left. The 26th pose of the Hot 26, and it's called the Breath of Fire. So, this is intended to get all the stale air out of your lungs and to increase the capacity of your lungs while it strengthens the diaphragm. So this is diaphragm breathing. You really want to use your belly. You don't, when you breathe, it's all on the exhale. So inhale, and you fill up your belly, and then you exhale. But it's belly breathing. So I'm making a noise now just so that you can hear what's going on. And you breathe 2 breaths per second for 30 seconds in the first set. And then it's 3 breaths per second for 20 seconds in the second set. So sit up tall. You take a deep breath in through your nose, filling up your lungs. And then all the way until the teacher says that it's done. With 30 seconds, you stop. You get all that stale air out of your lungs, and then you do it another time. You really strengthen that diaphragm. The more you do it, the more you can really open up some extra space in your lungs to give you some extra breath. So anyway, congratulations. You just finished the Hot 26, the famous Bikram series. These were all the poses. None of these poses that I've included in this series, in this video series on my Facebook page here, are more difficult for anyone. They're designed for all levels. So they're designed for anyone of any body size or shape, any age, any gender, male or female. You can come in and you can do these poses and you can get better. You come in as you are and you leave a little bit better. A lot of people swear by doing the yoga in the heat, 105 degrees. They say it helps them to lose weight. The studio that I'm at, the owner, she lost a lot of weight doing this. There's a ton of people that do yoga in that studio that start off a lot bigger than they are a few months later. So it's really good, and I know that it's helped my knees, it's helped my spine, it's helped me to be able to breathe a lot deeper, and it's just a great practice. I've never had a bad yoga class. I've had yoga classes that wore me out, but at the same time, I knew how beneficial that they were going to be as far as my health. I wouldn't have to worry about my health care expenses because taking my health in my own hands by doing this yoga. And I'll be able to do this for the rest of my life, and you will too. So I'm hoping I'm giving you some tools to get a little bit more life out of every breath. And I thank you for watching these videos and humoring me. Because this yoga practice of mine is something I'm going to be doing for forever. And there's so many styles and so much knowledge that I really want to share with you. And there's so much knowledge that I know that I'm getting ready to learn that I don't have any idea about. But whatever I find out, you can bet I'm going to be letting you know about it. Because it's going to help. If it helps me, it's going to help you. So thank you all very much. Have a great day. And I look forward to seeing you all again sometime really soon. Namaste.